Hello and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time, you're welcome, and please do not forget to click on the subscribe button. You can see what I have. This is Amazon Kindle. You can see the model is model number X43Z60. So let's try and factory reset this model. Can do is let's click on the power button here, so you can see. Okay, you can see no pin. Can't log in. I don't know this pin. So what we have to do, if it is pin locked, so the only thing you can do is to, if you have forgotten your pin, the only thing you can do is to factory reset. The phone, the Amazon Kindle. Some other versions, what you can do is just to hold the, well, for other versions I have not tried them yet, but for this particular model that I showed you here, you can see X43Z60. The only thing you can do here, let's go again. You can see, just type in random numbers and then click OK. Keep on doing it. Random number, okay, keep on doing it. There is a message that will pop up for you to reset. Keep on doing it. Yeah, here is the message. If you cannot remember the password for your Kindle, you can either reset it to regain access or wait for 30 seconds and try again. So let's reset it. Click on reset. Then erase everything. Here we go. It will take a few minutes, maybe up to 3 minutes, I think, and we're good to go. Let's wait and see. But it works 100%, and the only thing we can do is just to exercise patience, and we're good to go. The first time I tried to factory reset it, there is this particular model of this Amazon Kindle Fire that in order to hard reset it, you have to hold down the button, the power button, and the volume down. I think that will take you to the factory reset screen. For other models, but this particular model, it doesn't work that way. I tried that method, it didn't work. The only method that worked for me is this particular method that I'm showing you right now. So let's see if this can take us to the home page. Let's see if it can take us to the home page. Once it takes you there, you are good to go. We're just waiting for the select your language page, and then add your Wi-Fi. You are good to go. But I'm not gonna be adding my Wi-Fi password. So let's see what we can get. taking time. It's taking time. Yeah, we're good to go. So as you can see, just select the English, then continue. Welcome to Kindle Fire. So I don't want to add my password, just complete setup. Here we go. Click next, next, then to the home page. See, yeah, we're good to go. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if it is helpful, please, the only thank you I need from you is just to click on the subscribe button. Thanks, and God bless.